Hey, I'm Kalam. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write YouTube description using chatgpt. You know, chatgpt is a product of OpenAI. You can able to write anything using this chatgpt. It's absolute free for use 3.5. You don't need update a 4. Because 3.5 is enough for everything. Example of I want to write top 10 places, top, write a blog about top 10 places in New Zealand. Just type, then I want to just enter, just click here, then I am waiting it some second for whole processing. You can see ChatGPT writing a whole article for me in a second. It's amazing, right? But this is a wow, top 10 place in New Zealand. But if you want to write YouTube video description, YouTube about sections, let's go. Then hey, I have a YouTube channel related of AI make money. Please write about section with good SEO. Just I want to add my channel name as example of my CS channel name. Here you go. Just enter, then you can see the magic and power of the tool. Then I want to scroll down. Wow, you can see here is I'm really surprised because this answer is absolutely right and fantastic. Wow, yeah, insight, make money tips, engaging. And here is your email address, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and if you want to add more, this is possible. So anything you want to write, input here, then you are get answer in a second. So this is amazing video, right? So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and turn on bell icon for the next video. See you again, take care.